at Nurse, we see the growing trend of self-checkouts and understand people love them. That's why we were happy to introduce the do-it-yourself service experience. Once you arrive at our service bay, please check in at our self-check-in station. For your safety, we ask you to put a seat cover over the driver's seat and sanitize the driver area. If you would like, you can use a disposable mat to keep your carpets clean. Next, drive your vehicle straight ahead into an empty service bay. Please be careful of the hydraulic lift. If you damage the exterior of your vehicle at any time during your experience, you may take advantage of our Do-It-Yourself Collision Center experience, coming soon. Now you're free to work on your vehicle. For all your parts needs, our parts department is stocked with thousands of parts at your fingertips. Feel free to take any parts you need. Once you've completed your work, please proceed to the self-checkout counter, where you can pay for your parts and service. And that's all there is to our do-it-yourself service experience at Nurse. We look forward to hearing your enthusiasm from our new way to service your vehicle. If you enjoyed this April Fool's video, please let us know in the comments below.